because this leaf was coming from auction, I have this problem on it. Look like a rust on the paint. So how to remove this? Put some water on. I put P3000. Yeah. And let's see if that will go slowly down. Let's see. We're gonna go here, close this. So see, they disappear, but you have to do it very slowly, and I advise to don't use the machine because you can take the paint off. Yeah, so look how nice it's looking. I'm not gonna push. There are few holes that I think they deserve more. I know people using like a spray or something. I'm just using my. If you see, they are only gone. With water works better because with 3000 anyway, you're not gonna get scratches. What you can get, you can lose the shine a bit, but that can be sorted quite fast with the polish. Look how fast everything goes. And just like a cloth, I'm using this. Just like a cloth. Look what's here. And let me just show you. For example, if I'm trying with a cloth, don't think it's dirty, yeah? Look at here. Oops. Look there. So it's not dirty. But if I put a bit of water, and let's see how it's gonna go. You see? It just disappeared. Even here. Look at that. Nicely and beautiful. I don't know how you get rust on plastic, but never know. We put more and more water because this will help to not do scratches, and it will be even easier to remove this. I hope it's not gonna look white. I'm gonna make a picture after. All right, let me just finish and I'm coming back with the result. Look how good it's looking now. Looks 10 times much better. And it was even worse than that. It was like this. And how it's here. I'm coming back after I finish. So almost everything was getting away. Looks like we don't lose too much shine, but how I said, if I lose some shine, I will apply a bit of buffer, and that is it. See you guys next time. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe, because nobody I see subscribe at the moment. Share and like. Thank you.